Evergreen. Candid. New trends in Icse science. For class 3. Birds and their features.
We have feet to stand and to walk. The birds normally fly, but sometimes they stand on their claws to eat grains or the foodstuff they like. Claws. They hold the branches with their claws and even protect themselves with their claws.
The claws of birds help them in a number of ways.
Functions of claws. Help the birds to hold the branch. Help the birds to hold their prey. Help the birds to climb up the trees. Help the birds to walk and run on ground. Help the birds to scratch for seeds and worms.
Different types of claws.
Different birds have different types of claws. It actually depends on the functions which a bird has to perform. The functions can vary with food habits, type of nests it makes, and perching birds. Birds like crow, climbing birds, praying birds, birds like eagles, hawks,
Birds, their feathers and
insects.